See, next concept, chemical reactions. So chemical reactions of alcohols and phenols. So alcohols are versatile compounds. Alcohols are versatile compounds. So versatile, universal compounds. So alcohols are versatile compounds. So alcohols are act as both nucleophile and electrophiles. Alcohols are act as both nucleophiles and electrophiles. Very important. So alcohols are act as both electrophiles and nucleophiles. Alcohols are versatile compounds. Alcohols are act as both nucleophiles and electrophiles. It is act as both nucleophiles as well as electrophiles. So when will it is act as nucleophiles? When will it is act as electrophiles? Let us. So when will it is act as nucleophiles? When will it is act as electrophiles? See. So already know alcohol general formula ROH. Okay. So ROH, whenever OH bond is cleavage, it is act as nucleophile. So whenever RO bond is cleavage, it is act as electrophiles. Electrophiles means what? Positive charge. Nucleophiles means what? Negative charge. That means more electrons is present, that is nucleophiles. So positive charge is present, that is electrophile. Accept the electrons, that is electron. Which compound is accept the electrons? Such type of compounds is called electrophiles. Which compounds is ready to donate the electron pairs to another compound? Such type of compounds is called nucleophiles. See, let us see. Whenever this is act as nucleophiles, whenever it is act as electrophiles. The cleavage of OH bond. The cleavage of OH bond is act as nucleophile. So the cleavage of OH bond. So whenever ROH is there alcohol, in this OH bond is cleavage, it is act as the nucleophile. OH bond is cleavage, it is act as the nucleophile. So let us see that. So ROH, it is in the presence of this, like carbocation. See, it is electrophile, it is nucleophile. So this is shifted to here. So nucleophile, it is electrons is shifted donated to this carbocation, and it is ROH, oxygen getting positive charge, and simply you can write oxygen getting positive charge and a hydrogen atom. Then what happened? This bond is shifted to here. Then RO plus H plus N. See, the cleavage of OH bond. OH bond is cleavage na. Here is what happened. OH bond is cleavage na. Here is this bond shifted. Oxygen is getting positive charge whenever. So high electronegativity atom of oxygen. High electronegativity atoms getting positive charge, it is very unstable. High electronegativity of oxygen getting positive charge, it is very unstable. The cleavage of OH bond is act as nucleophile. Whenever alcohols in OH bond is cleavage, this bond is cleavage, it is act as what? Nucleophile. It is nucleophile. In this case it is nucleophile, it is electrophile. Is it correct? Positive charge means it is electrophile. This which compounds is donate the electrons, which compound ready to donate the electrons to other compounds, such type of compound nucleophiles. Which compound is accept the electrons, that is called electrophiles. See, deficient of electrons, here is excess of electrons. Why? Because two lone pairs is there, oxygen atom. So the cleavage of OH bond in alcohols, so such type of alcohols act as nucleophiles. Okay, nucleophiles. Is it clear? So whenever the bond it is nucleophile. So the CO bond is broken. The cleavage of the CO bond is broken. So they act as electrophile. So R means alcohols only. R means alkyl group only. Sorry, R means alkyl group is the cleavage of CO bond. Or the broken of the cleavage are broken, the broken of CO bond is act as electrophiles. The broken of CO bond is act as electrophile. The broken of CO bond, the bond between CO bond broken act as electrophile is very important. So whenever it is ROH alcohols, this is only. So whenever OH bond is broken, whenever OH bond, the bond between OH bond broken, this is act as nucleophile. Whenever it is involved the chemical reaction, OH bond is broken, that is so it is act as nucleophile. Whenever RO means, here is R means what? Alkyl group, any carbon atom. That's why the CO bond is broken, it is act as electrophile. So electrophile. The OH bond is broken, it is act as nucleophile. The CO bond, that means alkyl and RO bond is broken, that is act as electrophile. See, protonated alcohol act as electrophile. Protonated alcohols act as electrophiles. Protonated alcohols act as electrophiles. Protonated alcohols. Let us see the example RCH2OH, for example. Protonated means it is accept the proton CH plus, gives the RCH2O positive H. That means this lone pair of electrons donate to here. So then what happened? Protonated alcohol. This is protonated. Here is two lone pairs is there. So protonated alcohols. Then what happened? This is Br minus. So any nucleophile, it is so CH2 R. Then what happened? Here is CH2 R O. See, here is what happened. This bond is shifted to here. Immediately this bond is attached to this carbon. So that means protonated alcohols, then R CH2 Br plus H2. So protonated alcohols is, see, don't think about, so here is first nucleophile, this is not protonated alcohols, that's why here is mentioned, this is protonated alcohols. So protonated alcohols, so why? Because it is accept the proton, then it is protonated alcohols. So protonated alcohols is act as electrophiles. Protonated alcohols act as electrophiles. Then so this is act as electrophile. So whenever CO bond broken, the bond between CO means what? Alkyl and oxygen bond is broken, so that is act as electrophile. OH bond is broken, that is act as nucleophile. So the cleavage means very important. That's why, so chemical reactions are two types. Chemical reactions are involving in two types. Okay, so two types of chemical reactions. The above reactions, the above reasons, due to their reasons, so it is cleavage of OH bond and CO bond. So due to that reason, so chemical reactions are involving two types of chemical reactions. First type is reactions involving cleavage of OH bond in alcohols. Okay, so reactions, two types of chemical reactions is there. So chemical reactions is there. Alcohols are versatile compounds. Alcohols are act as both nucleophiles and electrophiles. When is it is act as nucleophiles? Whenever OH bond is broken. OH bond in alcohols is OH bond. In alcohols OH bond is broken, that is act as nucleophiles. When alcohols RO bond means carbon, R means alkyl group, carbon and oxygen bond is broken, that is act as electrophile. So OH bond is broken, already we discussed. So RO bond, when is carbon bond broken? Protonated alcohols act as electrophiles. Due to these reasons, two types of chemical reactions are involved. So let us see the two types. One by one we will discuss. Let us see the two types of chemical reactions. First one is reactions. Reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. reactions involving, first one, two types of chemical reactions. First one is reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. So in this first Roman number one, first one, so acidity of phenols, acidity of alcohols and phenols, acidity of alcohols and phenols, acidity of alcohols and phenols, acidity of alcohols, phenols. First one, in this first one is acidity of alcohols and phenols, acidity of alcohols and phenols. First one. In this, one by one we'll discuss. In this, first of the subheading is reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. So in that, acidity of alcohols, and in this, reaction with metals. In this, reaction with metals. In this, reaction with metals. Reaction with metals. See, reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. So in this, acidity of alcohols and phenols, acidic nature. So reaction with metals. So alcohols and phenols, alcohols and phenols react with metals such as sodium, potassium, aluminum, etc. to gives corresponding alkoxide and phenoxide. So alcohols and phenols react with metals such as sodium, potassium, aluminum to gives corresponding alkoxide and phenoxide and hydrogen gas, hydrogen H2. So this reactions is explain this reaction gives information about the alcohols and phenols are having acidic nature. Why? Because already you know sodium, potassium is first year group elements. So first year group elements is having basic nature. Metals first year, second year group is basic nature. So aluminum is amphoteric nature, basic and acidic nature. So however, it is alcohols and phenols react with sodium and potassium and aluminum and etc. to give corresponding alkoxide and phenoxide and liberate and release the hydrogen gas. This reactions is explained so these alcohols and phenols are having acidic nature. So already you know first year group lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Second year group so beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. These group elements is having basic nature. It is not having acidic nature. So whenever sodium metal is react with alcohols, then gives the sodium alkoxide plus hydrogen gas. This is explained about what? See that equation. So alcohols ROH react with the sodium element and produce the sodium alkoxide plus hydrogen gas. See 2 moles. Okay. So it is alcohol, it is sodium. This sodium alkoxide and hydrogen gas. It is one expression. So alcohol react with sodium metal, gives the sodium alkoxide and hydrogen gas. See, sodium metal, it is basic nature. It is the basic compound. This is the basic nature. This is basic nature. So it is basic nature means what? It is react with this one. This is which nature? Acidic nature only na. Acidic nature is na. That's why first year, second year group elements is acidic basic nature in periodic table. So it is react with this means this also gives the sodium alkoxide and hydrogen gas. So alcohols are react with sodium metal, gives the sodium alkoxide and gives hydrogen gas. This reaction explains the alcohols are having acidic nature. See second equation, same second equation also. Second equation, tertiary butyl alcohol, CH3, CH3, OH. tertiary TRT, like simply I will write tertiary butyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol react with aluminium and produce the CH3 CH3 CH3O plus hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. Here is, so balance the equation. Here is 6. Here is 2. Here is 2. And 3 moles of hydrogen. 3 moles of hydrogen. Say tertiary butyl alcohol react with aluminium, produce the tertiary butyl alcohol, tertiary aluminium tertiary butoxide, aluminium tertiary tertiary butoxide. See, whenever tertiary butyl alcohol is, it is acidic nature compared to this one. Why? Because aluminum is basic nature. Aluminum is here is in this reaction. Aluminum is basic nature. Aluminum is basic nature. Aluminum is basic nature. See, so it is acidic nature. So tertiary butyl alcohol react with aluminum, produce aluminum tertiary butoxide, and hydrogen gas is liberated. So it is having, so due to this is having acidic nature, this is basic nature, that's why it is released hydrogen gas. Okay, and next one is, whenever see another reaction, phenol is react with phenol is react with, already you know this one. So phenol is react with phenol react with the sodium metal gives the sodium phenoxide plus hydrogen gas is liberated. So phenol is react with sodium metal. So this is sodium phenoxide. This is sodium phenoxide. See, whenever so alcohols or phenols react with metals such as lithium, sodium, potassium, and aluminium to give corresponding alkoxide and phenoxide. So these reactions are explain their acidic nature. Why? Because they already know it is universal. First year group elements is having basic nature. Alkaline, alkali or alkaline. Alkaline means what? It is having basic nature. So that's why it is react with alcohols and gives the corresponding alcohols and phenoxide. So aliphatic alcohols gives the sodium alkoxide. Aromatic alcohols, that is phenol, gives the sodium phenoxide, and tertiary butyl alcohol gives the aluminium tertiary butoxide. These reactions are explained about the acidic nature of alcohols and phenols. And next one is, alcohols act as Bronsted acids. Alcohols and phenols act as Bronsted acids. Alcohols and phenols act as Bronsted acids. Already you know Bronsted acid means they can donate the proton to, they can donate the acid proton to base, like here is like this. So alcohols and phenols act as Bronsted acids. They can donate the proton to base. So alcohols and phenols act as what? Bronsted bases. Bronsted acids. So why? Because they can donate the proton to base. See, let us see that equation. So base is there. So react with alcohols. So it is donate the proton here. So that's why it is RO minus. Here is BH. Okay. So it is donate the proton to this one. So it is conjugate base. It is conjugate acid. See, so alcohols and phenols are act as which acids? Bronsted acid. Bronsted acid means they can donate the proton. They can donate the proton to a base, that is strong base, whatever base, stronger base. Okay, they can donate the proton to base. So that is base is an ROH, and it is gives the conjugate base. Why? Because it is acids. So it is one proton is lost, that is its conjugate base. It is accept the proton, that's why it is conjugate acids. Already you know conjugate acid base theory. Okay, see, this is the acidity of alcohols and phenols. Is it clear? So acidity of alcohols and phenols is gives depending on chemical reactions. Depending on chemical reaction, it is laboratory. Alcohols react with aliphatic alcohols react with sodium and gives a sodium alkoxide, and aromatic alcohols phenols react with sodium phenoxide. This reaction is explain the acidic nature of alcohols phenols. Why? Because already you know first year second year group and aluminum, so having basic nature. Aluminum is amphoteric nature, so however it is act as in the presence of alcohols it is base. Okay, due to, and along with alcohols and phenols is act as Bronsted acids. Bronsted acid means what? So proton donor, they can donate the proton to base. So this is the equation. Is it clear?